Welcome to Chuck Food Reviews and More.
Hey y'all, welcome to another episode of Chuck Food Review. And today we got some candy review. And it is from Big Bird, no, the Red Bird Southern Fresh Mints. And it's a mint. So you are ready whenever the kiss is waiting. And it is Red Bird Cotton Candy. Red Bird Cotton Candy mints and a candy puff. Put some in your mouth. We better find out. Let's open this bag up. Here it is outside the package. Outside the package. There it is. And this is the little package that it comes out of. So here we go. Let's open this up. Here we go. I hate to do that, so all over the regular Red Bird mints. You can get them at the Dodgery. These are good. Looks like straight up cotton candy. Whoa. This 5 out of 5 like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification. Stay tuned for more Chuck Food Reviews. Bye. See you on the treadmill. See you in the treadmill.